Here I have Honor and Lite, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the phone dialer, then tap on More icon, the three dots icon located in upper corner, then pick Blocked, and here you have to select Blacklist. Now just tap on Add on plus icon, and you can either add some number manually, you can match prefix, you can add from contact, add from call log, or add from messages. Let me pick the first option, add manually, and now you can type some particular phone number. When it's entered, tap on OK. Since now this number will not be able to reach you as it's on your blacklist. If you would like to remove it from this list, just hold it for a while and tap on Remove. Confirm it by tapping on Remove one more time. And now this number is unblocked. You can also enter your block list by going to Phone Manager and then tapping on Blocked. And here you are just in the same menu, you can do all the same things. That's it. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.